Do you have a date coming up but feel unsure about how to flirt or keep things fun? Worried about how to break the ice and build chemistry naturally? Don't stress, flirting doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. Let me introduce you to the ETV method, a simple yet effective way to connect, vibe, and create sparks on your date. Ready to level up your dating game? First, use eye contact to show interest. Don't overdo it or be creepy, but let them know you find them attractive by holding their gaze confidently. Next, escalate naturally and playfully through touch. Start small, like lightly touching their arm or commenting on something they're wearing. For example, if they're wearing a hoodie, ask about it and lightly touch it to build momentum. Pay attention to their comfort level and response to ensure they're receptive. Plainly focus on creating a playful vibe. Treat your conversations like an improv session. Dare to have fun and keep things lighthearted. Avoid being overly serious and enjoy the moment. Don't forget to tease playfully. If they say something, turn it into a lighthearted disagreement or use their stories as playful material later in the conversation. Remember, ETV method is about being fun, confident, and respectful. Good luck with your date and enjoy the experience. That's it.